Hey guys, this is Nick Gardner from Dirt King Fabrication, and today we're going to be showing you how to install our locking alignment cams. These cams are available for the 1999 to current GM 1500, 2500, and 3500 chassis. One of the major issues with the factory alignment cams is that on the opening, it is one solid opening all the way across. The disadvantage to that is on a pothole or sharp edge, it can knock your alignment out of place very easily. Where if you look at our cam, it does give you the same range of alignment, but there are 9 mounting holes that locks the pin into place. Behind me, we have a 2005 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. This truck does have the factory alignment cams and has experienced the issues that go along with those. You can see the abnormal tire wear on the inside of the tire due to the poor alignment. Another issue that this truck has experienced is the alignment cam pins have fallen out of the frame. We do offer a solution that can be purchased separately. These are our HD alignment cam pins. These are an upgraded design over the factory due to the knurled design that better holds these into the frame. Let's pull the wheels off and we can show you the installation procedures for both the alignment cam pins and the alignment cams. First, have your vehicle aligned with the factory cams. Next, you will want to mark the position of your factory cams. Since this truck had the pins fall out, you'll want to mark it where the hole is. You can make a paint mark on the alignment cam and we'll use that to reference our new upgraded cam so it gives you the proper positioning. Now that we've marked the factory cam, we can go ahead and pull the cam assembly out. You can simply remove the nut that's on the bolt. You can remove the bolt outboard and that'll remove both the outer and the inner alignment cams. Now that we have the factory cams removed, we can go ahead and take that mark that we made on the factory cam and transfer it to our locking cam. You can simply overlay the two cams, find the hole, and mark it on the new cam as well. To install the alignment cam pins, you can use a C-clamp as well as a socket. You're going to want to find a socket that fits over the shank side of the alignment cam pin, and you can simply use your C-clamp to press the pin into the frame by tightening it. Now that we got our alignment cam pins installed, we can go ahead and install our alignment cams. We're going to want to reference the paint mark that we put on earlier that matched the factory cam. You can go ahead and put the cam onto the bolt, slide the assembly through the control arm, and then you'll want to line up the hole to the line of the pin. You can put the other side on. Make sure you line up the hole as well. And then you can install your grade 8 washer and nylock nut and torque these to factory spec. For more info or to purchase these products, you can go directly to dirtkingfabrication.com.